Hi parents! So to do this activity, you can take any toys that you have in your house and take some part of the toy. For example here, now I'm using this ball stacking tower. So I'm taking the balls and we put the item according based on your children's height. So first you take the item according to the eye level and then head level, and the last one is over head level. So we can ask the children to reach for the eye level first. After they reach it, and then we can play with the full toys. So like this, we put it and we can see words such as down, 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 down the ball. And then we can proceed to the next ball. The 3 benefits of playing this activity is the first one, to improve the flexibility of their hands as we target that they can reach item above head for 5 times consistently. As what I did just now is a practice for those children that not yet have the skill for reaching. So start on eye level, head level, and then above head. The second benefit is to enhance grab skill as we use small item and then they need to use their finger to grab the item from the wall and pull it out. The third benefit is to enhance the hand-eye coordination as the children need to look at the item and then reach out to the item to take it so that they can play with the item. The suitable age to play this game is for 2 years old and above.